Cyberbullying is becoming increasingly common among teenagers. A 2022 Pew Research Center study found that 46% of teens say they experience cyberbullying when online or on their cell phones. While bullying existed before the internet, the rise of smartphones and social media sites has led to a more public forum where bullies can exploit victims online. Cyberbullying is defined as the use of electronic communication to harass, threaten, or humiliate someone. This can include sending mean text or emails, posting hurtful messages on social media sites, or spreading rumors online. Cyberbullying can have devastating effects on those who are targeted and those who witness it happening to someone else. In 2019, Youth Risk Behavior Surveillance System found that nearly 16% of high school students had been cyberbullied in the previous year. A Cyberbullying Research Center study claims that 73% of cyberbullied teenagers experienced it on social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Social media sites are very public, so the messages can be seen by many people very quickly. Plus, social media sites allow people to share their thoughts and feelings anonymously, which makes it easier for them to be mean or hurtful. Besides social media sites, cyberbullying also takes place on different online networking sites. Nearly half of all teenagers cyberbullied were harassed through texting and messaging apps. Online messaging, including instant messaging, IMs, and direct messaging, DMs, allow people to send messages quickly and privately, making it easier to cyberbully a teen privately. People can talk to each other on online forums, chat rooms, and message boards to discuss topics or share ideas, but these spaces can also be used for cyberbullying. While many teenagers enjoy online gaming, these games can also be used to harass or threaten someone while they're playing. Their personal information may be shared without their consent. Even email can be used to send harassing messages directly and to open the victim up to more cyberbullying by sharing their email address with others. Teenagers who are victims of cyberbullying may experience a range of negative emotions, such as sadness, anger, fear, and embarrassment. These victims are also more likely to have mental health problems, including depression, anxiety, and suicidal thoughts. They may feel isolated and alone, as if they have no one to turn to. The Cyberbullying Research Center also found that teenagers who experience cyberbullying are more likely to experience other forms of bullying, such as face-to-face bullying and online harassment. Cyberbullying can cause teen victims to suffer academically. They may have trouble concentrating and even be too embarrassed to go to school or participate in class. They may also receive lower grades than they normally would. There are also negative physical effects associated with cyberbullying, including headaches, stomach aches, and sleeping problems. Victims of cyberbullying may have trouble forming relationships with other people. They may be afraid to trust anyone and avoid socializing with others. Cyberbullying can even have adverse effects on those who just witness it happening to someone else. Witnesses may feel scared, helpless, and sad. They may also have trouble sleeping and eating, and may even develop anxiety and depression. There are things a teenager who falls victim to cyberbullying can do to get help. Talk to a trusted parent, guardian, friend, teacher, or counselor about what's going on. They may be able to help you get the bullying stopped. Keep evidence of cyberbullying, including screenshots of any bullying messages, emails, or posts that were sent. Block the bully from making contact. This can be done on most social media sites and messaging apps. Report the cyberbullying to the website or app where it took place. Seek professional help if feeling overwhelmed or suicidal. Seek out support groups or counseling for victims of cyberbullying. Cyberbullying has many dire consequences for teenagers, including victims, witnesses, and even bullies. Parents should be aware of these effects and take action if they believe their teen is being cyberbullied. Parents can show their support for their teens in many ways. Some parents might want to show their support through words, while others might show it through actions. No matter what you do, make sure that your teen knows you're there for them and that you will help them stop the bullying. Listen to your teen without judgment and let your teen know that you support them. Parents of cyberbullied teens can also help them block the bully from contacting them. Blocking a contact can be done on both social media sites and messaging apps. You can also report cyberbullying to the website or app where it's happening. Teens experiencing adverse effects from cyberbullying may need professional help. Make sure that you help them seek out support if they need it. The Social Media Victims Law Center works to hold social media companies legally accountable for the harm they inflict on vulnerable users. If you have questions or concerns, or your teen has suffered psychologically or physical harm due to cyberbullying, contact the Social Media Victims Law Center. Reach out to our team today for a free, confidential case evaluation.